Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a Lego landing gears that works on all sort of planes. And after you finish, it will look like this. It's foldable and it's working pretty fine. And here's how you do it. And there's your landing gear. And let's put it on the airplane. Here it is. You can bend it in and then take it out. See, very simple. You can bend it out for all sort of pieces. So technically, you don't need specific parts to make these kind of landing gears. You can make one your own. Very easy. And also, I would like to introduce you my airplane. It's a MiG-29. I made it myself out of Lego pieces. It's kinda simple. Yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribe.